As an editor, there's probably been times you've needed to finish a video while traveling, or help a colleague get a project over the line while on the go. And you might even be in that situation right now. And you might have even tried using a remote desktop as a solution. Oftentimes, you can experience delayed video, delayed audio, washed out colors, and out of date interfaces that are awkward to use. At Phaze, we believe this experience can be better, so much better that you'll completely forget you're on another computer. In fact, right now, I'm editing this video over 150 miles away from my PC while sitting in an Airbnb using a laptop from 2014. And that's all thanks to Phaze. With multi-monitor support for up to 3 screens at once, ultra-low latency connections, 4K video in HDR quality at up to 240 FPS, and 444 chroma subsampling, it's the perfect choice whether you're dealing with large files and can't download them on your low bandwidth connection, color grading, cutting up footage, or helping someone out. Today, you can invite colleagues to join your computer with you, and in the future, we plan to make collaboration even easier with text and audio conversation features inside the connection while displaying interactive mics on the screen, like in Figma. To get started, head over to Phaze.app and download the Phaze application. Then, run the program and sign up using your email and a strong password. Once you've signed up and verified your account, you can now log in and make your first connection. If you want to connect to your own PC, just repeat this process and it will appear here on your dashboard. If you want to connect to a colleague's PC, ask them to navigate to the Share section and have them invite you using your email. Once you have made a connection as an editor, you'll probably want to make some tweaks to your settings. Press Left Alt, Left Shift, plus F9 to enable the on-screen overlay. From here, you can switch between H.264 and H.265, enable 444 chroma subsampling, adjust your bitrate, frame rate, and toggle grab mode. Grab mode helps you stay focused in the Phaze connection without accidentally navigating back to your local computer. It will lock your keyboard, mouse, or both to the remote PC you're working on. You can also set default settings in the Phaze dashboard, and if you navigate to the hotkeys tab, you can customize them as well. For more tutorials or updates on Phaze, be sure to subscribe and check out our other socials.